So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 8 Pro and the new Warp wireless charger. So let's take inside the box. It's being powered by this Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor with either 8 or 12 gigs of RAM depending on which model, and 128 or 256 gigs of storage. This one right here is the Glacial green color, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So yeah, let's dig inside the box. So here's the phone itself. In the really nice glacial green color. Depending on the lighting situation, it kind of looks like a bluish type of green. Other times it just looks like a kind of minty green or whatever. There's the new OnePlus logo. You have a 40 megapixel standard lens, 48 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto, and 5 megapixel color filter. As you can see, there is a camera bump. Side here you have volume keys, USB-C port, alert slider, power button, 16 megapixel front facing camera via hole punch. And this phone, the OnePlus 8 Pro, does have wireless charging, so that's why OnePlus has released their Warp wireless charger, which can get you, which is 30 watts. It's like a proprietary method and whatnot, so you can get around 50% battery life in 30 minutes or so. Also inside the box is a nice clear case, which has OnePlus's never settle mantra on it. Nice case, you can just slip it in there. USB-C cable and the Warp wall adapter. Now let's dig into the Warp wireless charger. So there's the charger itself. So your phone goes like this, start charging. There's some like vent on the back for cooling. And then there's the wall plug for it. One thing to note is that on the Warp wireless charger, the power adapter is attached to it, so you can't unplug it from it. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 8 Pro.